Good evening and welcome to week 5 Tuesday. So what we have here is we'll go to Goa for prawn or shrimp balchao. So as you know, we are traveling around the country, that is India, for this week. So for prawn balchao, what we need is some red chili. I cut them in little pieces and have soaked them in water. We'll grind this along with some ginger, some garlic. So we need a lot of garlic. So this is a garlicky, vinegary type of sauce. So we need a lot of garlic. So I have about 10-12 garlic here cut into pieces. We have some cumin, cloves and cinnamon here, and we'll grind it along with the ginger and the garlic and the red chilies along with the vinegar. So that will make a paste from that. So this is oil. We'll fry the tomatoes in oil. I've used tin. You can always use fresh tomatoes as well. And then I have 2 pounds of shrimp, and this is some sugar. So that's about it for this recipe. So I will grind the paste and then we'll start cooking. We're ready to cook. I've heated up the pan. I'm going to put in about 3/4 of a cup of oil. So we need a lot of oil in this recipe. The recipe asks me to fry the shrimp or the prawns. This is already cooked, so I'm not going to fry it. But I missed out on the onions, so I have some onions here. It's about 2 onions that I chopped that we'll be using in this. So I'll put the onions to fry first, and then we'll go from there. So like always, put some salt in here and some black pepper. You don't need too much. If you feel that the oil is too much for you, you can always reduce the quantity of the oil. But for this dish, you need a little bit of oil. There's a lot of onions, and then we'll fry the tomatoes in that. So you need oil. So even if you can cut down like up to use half a cup instead of 3/4 of a cup. It's your choice. We'll fry till it turns a little golden, and then we'll put in the tomatoes to fry. The onions have started browning. At this point, we will put in the tomatoes. And we'll cook it till all the liquid is absorbed and the oil is released from the tomatoes. As you can see, the oil has left the the tomatoes. What we'll do now is we'll put some sugar and mix it, and then we'll put the sauce or the paste that we have created. And then cook it for a few minutes. Bring it to a boil so that, I put in a little bit of water and bring it to a boil. And then we'll put the shrimps in. Again, the shrimps are cooked. So if you don't have a cooked shrimp, you just fried it for a little bit, then you can put it once this comes to a boil. I really don't want to cook the shrimp so much, more to put it in the sauce and adhere to the sauce. So that's what we're going to do. But let it cook down a little bit, the sauce, before we do that. And I've used balsamic vinegar here. Use a sweetened sort of a vinegar, like malt vinegar. I put the shrimp in. At this point, cook it for about 3-4 minutes, and then we will serve it. 5 minutes are over. That is fully cooked, so we will serve it. There you have it. Prawn or shrimp balchao from Goa. Very simple dish, very simple to make, really tasty. It has that vinegary tartness. The heat from the chilies, the red chilies that we used, about 15 of them. It has a beautiful garlicky smell from all the garlic that we used. Really great to taste and very simple to make. You can have it with rice, you can have it with pav, you can have it with naan, so it's versatile as well. So enjoy it, make it, make it in your house. Please do post pictures if you are making any of these recipes. That we'd like to certainly see how you're making it. And hopefully you're watching my videos, subscribing and sharing it with your friends. Have a great night, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow.